Welcome my dear student in this new topic, and in this video we discuss about the structure. The structure is nothing but the collections of the data item of similar or the different data types. यहाँ पे क्या रहता है कि भाई अगर नंबर ऑफ डेटा आइटम्स को अगर कंबाइन करते हो, जिनका जो डेटा टाइप है वो एक सेम रहेगा या अलग अलग रह सकता है, डिपेंड है, उसको आप बोलते हैं स्ट्रक्चर। और उसका अगर हेड टैग देखा जाए स्ट्रक्चर का, तो इस तरह से रहता है that the structure along with the space and the name of that particular structure underscore in underscore form. Then after that start bracket and end bracket. In between that there is the different variables that is declared, the declaration of variable declaration and number of. In example, the struct employee. In the struct employee, it contains the character employee name, integer employee code, character, date of birth. ऐसे अलग अलग ये है। एम्प्लॉय स्ट्रक्चर में 3 पार्ट डाले गए। उसमें सबसे पहला है नेम का है कैरेक्टर लिखा, उसके बाद एम्प्लॉय का कोड, उसको इंटीजर में लिया, और डेट ऑफ बर्थ वो भी कैरेक्टर में लिया। ये ऐसे इसको बोलते हैं हम स्ट्रक्चर। द स्ट्रक्चर इंस्टेंस can be created as structured employee emp1. To initialize this instance collectively, the structured emp1 is equal to mark 120 1111. अभी देखिए, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे ये सिंटेक्स दिया था, ये प्रोग्राम, ये एग्जांपल के लिए दिया था, तो एग्जांपल का अगर ऑपरेशन को रीड करते हैं तो स्ट्रक्चर एम्प्लॉई 1 emp1 is equal to mark is the name of that employee, 120 is employee code, and 11/11/1988 is its code. Birth date, it is all of the birth date. This is nothing but the code, and this is nothing but the name of that particular employee. So in this we can collect the structural data from that one. To initialize selectively the structure employee emp1 dot emp underscore code is equal to 120. The inconvenience of using the struct every time can be avoided by using the type def as type def struct is equal to character name underscore 20, character name underscore 20, and integer employee emp code, character, date of birth code, like this. So these are the different codes in different way. Then employee is equal to employee 1 is equal to, no need to write structure. Then various operations supported by the structure. This structure will be supported by the various operations, and that operators we will see here, the different operators that we can see here. First one is assignment, that is equal to assign. It assign the value of one structure to the another structure of a same type. For example, employee emp1 comma emp2, emp1 dot emp underscore code is equal to 120. Structured copy is the emp1 dot emp underscore name double inter comma mark. Structured copy emp1 dot date of birth 11/11/1988, emp2 is equal to emp1. This is one of the assignment, is one of the operators that we can use by the structure. Another one is the equality. Equality is one of the operators that supported by the structure. This equality is used to check the equality of all the members of two structures of the same type. If the members match, else return 0. Employee emp1 comma emp2, emp1 dot emp underscore code 120. Structural copy emp1 dot emp underscore name mark. Structural copy emp1 dot date of birth 11/11/1988. If emp2 is equal to 1. Third operation is inequality. This inequality is check the inequality of the or members of the two structure of a same type and return 1 if the member do not match, else it returns 0. For example, the employee emp1, emp2. emp1 is dot emp underscore code is equal to 120. Structural copy emp1 dot emp underscore name mark. Structural copy emp1 date of birth 11/11/1988 if emp2 is emp1. And then after that, size of is one of the again operation that is performed by the structure. It returns the size of a structure in byte format. For example, employee emp1, the size of emp1. These are all the directives. These are all the operations which is performed under the structure. Okay. Thank you very much.